If you want to make a form feel like a personalized conversation instead of a cold, boring questionnaire, this is the quick tutorial you've been looking for. Stick with me for 3 minutes, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn a regular form into something that feels human, engaging, and actually increases responses. I've tested this across all the popular form building tools, and I'll share my top pick with an exclusive free trial in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. Let's jump in. First, structure your form like a chat, not a checklist. That means asking one question at a time. This keeps people from feeling overwhelmed and helps create a back and forth rhythm that feels natural. Next, instead of labeling fields like name or email, phrase your prompts like you're speaking to them. For example, use, "What should we call you?" or "Where can we reach you?" This small change alone makes a huge difference in how personal the form feels. Now let's talk tone. Write like you speak. Use contractions. Keep it light, casual, and friendly. Imagine you're texting a friend, not writing legal copy. Add a bit of logic to make your form dynamic. With the software we'll be using, you can show different questions depending on how someone answers. This makes the form feel smart and even more like a real conversation. Use visual cues too. Replace standard progress bars with conversational touches like "almost done" or "just a few more questions." It's not just about looks, it's about reducing form fatigue and keeping the experience fluid. Personalization is key. If someone tells you their name in question 1, bring it back in question 3. Like, "Thanks, Sarah, just one more thing." That feels intentional, and intentionality plus trust. Also, don't forget micro animations and response delays. The software we're using lets you set a short delay between questions, making it feel like someone's actually thinking before responding. Super subtle, but really effective. And finally, your thank you screen. Don't just say "thanks, we'll be in touch." Personalize it based on what they shared. Mention their name. Reference what they were looking for. This closes the loop and keeps the experience consistent all the way through. Key takeaway. To make a form feel like a personalized conversation, you need to think like a human, not a web developer. One question at a time, casual language, smart logic, personalization, and subtle visual touches are what make the difference. Quick recap. One question per screen. Use conversational prompts. Keep your tone casual. Add logic for relevance. Reuse answers to personalize. Use micro delays and animations. End with a meaningful thank you. If you want to try this out yourself, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available through my channel, and it'll give you full access to the software we used in this walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.